the enemy team did really smart, and they were sending their tanks on us and the Genji behind, you know, on the last map. Just saying that as the last point before what were you?
Les attaquants arrivent dans 30 secondes.
J'ai toujours l'œil du tigre.
5,
Okay.
2, 1. Les attaquants approchent. Défendez l'objectif A.
Trap here.
No.
Another trap, another trap. Okay, I'm through. Oh, Lucy's up.
Oh, wow.
Go, go,
Orisa,
go, go.
Orisa, 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 Orisa.
They're on the logo.
Orisa?
No barrier, no barrier. I'm dead. Hooked.
Hawk one, Hawk dead.
They got a race on the Orisa.
We should have focused the reset first.
We need to get the soldier on the top.
I couldn't.
Can we reset?
Regroup, go right for
I think
30
we're-
PS.
I have no map. Okay, 1 sec, 1 sec. Wow.
Okay.
Okay, I'm taking charge.
Okay, let's try again. Left, left.
Yeah, wait, we lost Moira.
Yeah, let's try left again. And let's not stop, just go.
The problem was that I got hooked. So I
Yeah.
had to use my amp it up to heal myself.
Yeah, okay. Are we all together now?
Yep.
Get out.
Orisa?
I'm
Oh,
returned.
okay. That was way closer than I thought it was.
Just behind the rock.
Dave, it's a really weird comp that they're running.
Yeah.
We should be able to take the high ground really easily if we want to, so...
Okay, let's go high ground then.
All here? Okay, let's do
Let's
it.
go.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, straight to point now?
Moira can ult when we go.
We gotta go, we gotta
Shit,
go.
those hooks.
Moira can ult.
Step past shield. Big.
Soldier up top.
Soldier top.
Got him hooked. He's low. He's low behind. Guys. Hawk lit.
I have no shield.
Fucking A, what the fuck?
Soldier is on the right.
We
still.
got wrecked.
Just shield.
Go back.
What do we do? Do we go dive here or what?
It was okay, but...
Again,
like,
same thing.
oh, I'm getting frustrated with this shit.
Encore.
How did you die, Doju?
Because they focused me.
Okay. Yeah,
Like,
just-
I was a mini... I was mini diva, and
I
the
will
tracer...
be right
and the,
after Moira ult, so we shouldn't have
I,
lost.
I was a mini diva, and soldier got me.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I'll call a dive. Trying to get
Yeah, well-
close. Okay, diving past now. I'm on the Orisa.
Get the Orisa.
Orisa.
Slow, slow.
Moise.
Soldier ult.
Oh, we lost two.
No.
Reset and we've got another push. Just get out or die.
Shit, how many fucking ties did he have?
Not spamming, I guess.
Ten seconds we have to.
Yeah, we have to cast the point.
Plus que 10 secondes.
Okay, I'm gonna dive Orisa again. Oh,
Unless
We've
this
got to go
happens.
now.
That's
I'm a junk.
I'm dead already.
Junk's dead.
Because we have never failed in this attack, I think. So
Yeah.
something that we need to talk through.
So obviously, what we thought of, they did exactly what we thought we should do on defense, except they were holding a bit more aggressive.
Yeah,
So now we know what's the counter check, what tank on here.
they did it really nice. They played really up close in our face. And with that Junkrat spam.
But then again, they were so like scattered. They should have been easy picks.
Yeah.
We just did not focus one thing. Because we were like 6 altogether, and they're like,
Anyway, defense.
oh,
now,
recently,
defense
yeah,
now.
okay.
With what review, these things?
Do we want a Jank or Sombra?
Do Sombra, mate. I think Mercy should be better here.
Can you
I'm
go
better,
big
I'm better.
Mercy up? Yeah.
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 I'm just a slow floater, so I'll just float all the way.
Les attaquants arrivent dans 30 secondes.
Right in the corridors. Move as a unit.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Les attaquants approchent. Défendez l'objectif A.
Main. Reinhardt.
Bastion,
They're
Bastion,
pushing
shield.
us.
Bastion, okay. Go back, go back, go back.
Yeah, let
Pull
him
back.
out, let him out, let him out. They're going all the way around, all the way around.
Yeah.
All the way into our spawn. I'm taking the high ground up here.
Okay,
They're
let's
going
jump,
to the high
let's
ground.
jump.
They're on the high ground, they're on the high ground.
I'm on Mercy, 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 Mercy. Mercy low.
Big pick. Ryan's on point, half.
Ryan 1.
Heals, I need heals. I'm just...
Orisa alone, Orisa alone, Rook.
Bastion's alone.
No, mine, I'm
Orisa.
back.
Arista's one.
Orisa dead.
Oh, that boop.
That's a weird spread. I'm going back.
Mercy's behind. Line.
Contest
Yeah,
on me.
just- Yeah.
Run one, run one, run one.
Lucio discord at the point.
Sombra.
Oh, that's
Okay.
a waste.
Orisa's coming.
Let's kill Arista.
Follow her, follow.
And Lucio.
Don't push up too far.
They've already beaten us, technically.
Yeah, technically they have.
They're running. Yeah.
I'm lagging.
Here they come again. Same strat.
Go back, go
Through
back,
the
go
bubble. I'm
back.
hacked. Let him
Go
have it,
back,
let him
go-
have it.
It's just getting smashed.
Dans ma ligne de mire.
Nice. What? I don't know what you did, but that's amazing.
Where's the Sombra?
Healer's coming
She's
back. Healer's
behind.
coming back.
Can you pick me up and I'll be able to heal you?
There is something here. Sombra behind. Left, left, left.
Oh,
Yeah. Sombra's in the back.
She's low. Fuck, man.
Nice, nice, nice. Good
Can we
stagger.
get a wrister?
You
yeah.
should be. Just
Nice.
go, go. Yeah, make sure the Sombra doesn't pick her.
Let's switch up. It's a core tank.
I've got EMP
So
ready.
Moira priority.
When When I dive, I'm going to pop. Not dive. What am I thinking? Say, my brain is doing a funk. Yeah.
Okay, we can use EMP
ready,
here.
ready,
On you,
ready.
yeah, on you.
Let's go.
Let's go. Moira?
Run low.
Moira?
Moira's half on point. One on point, Moira.
God fucking damn this fucking Moira!
Use the trance, use the trance.
Oh, jeez.
Zarya half.
Hoglet.
Oh, they capped it.
No ult, Mercy, when they come in. You said you're gonna ult. I was holding my rank for that.
We just couldn't kill. We didn't kill the Moira before the.
I was, I was the only one who was on Moira all the time.
Then maybe that's a problem we need to fix. We need to choose a
Yeah.
target and
Yeah.
not split up, because otherwise
I'm on the high
we-
ground.
D.Va?
D.Va's low.
It was the
So I
sorry,
high charge high ground. Cause I
Reinhardt.
Reinhardt.
Lucio's 1-2.
Come back, don't overextend.
We have EMP again.
Really? Nice.
You're a bit far up, Zen.
I can't see them, so tell me when to go in, like
Okay,
2 seconds
yeah.
before, please.
They might go high ground, they might go payload, I'll let you know. They're coming high ground. Now would be a good time, they're all together.
Don't get hurt. Don't get hurt.
Get the Moira, she's one. In the back.
Got the maid, Rodok on the maid, I need help.
I'm on hog.
Very started.
Hoglet.
Hog.
Hog 1.
I'm on Moira.
Thanks over. Discarded.
D.Va's half.
I'm on D.Va.
Encore 60 secondes.
I'm still lagging.
Squibs, be careful.
Yeah. What's EMP on?
Okay.
Nice.
Going high for
Plus que 30 secondes.
Got a
Oh,
McCree.
they have
Baby
many.
Baby Diva on the
Well,
maid.
that's a risky dive.
He's not alone. Yeah. Don't go. He's not alone.
Just jump McCree.
Jumping him
We're
now.
low.
No flashbang.
I'm lagging
One
so
hit.
much.
He's dead.
Sorry.
I mean,
I'm on D.Va.
Make a D.Va.
Mercy, careful. They have two parts.
I'm on Moira. Where's Moira?
I'm on Lucio.
Mario with Baby Diva.
Baby Diva one.
Moira.
I'm going to come back with Valk.
Lucio.
Okay.
Ryan.
Zarya is low, by the way.
Zaya.
Zarya is one.
Boys here, boys
I'm
here.
lagging so much.
Heals, I need heals.
Trace up top.
Trish top. Payload. Dead. Nice job.
Okay.
I was lagging the whole time from
Yeah,
the first
let's-
point.
Let's finish there.
Yeah. I feel like both teams had really good defenses.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely better.